Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis and insights. Today is October 23rd, 2024, and we're diving into Matador Resources' latest earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Matador Resources, especially given their impressive third-quarter results and strategic initiatives.
Absolutely. Matador has reported record results for the third quarter of 2024 and has increased its full-year guidance. Let's delve into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Matador Resources reported a net income of $248.3 million, or $1.99 per diluted share for the third quarter. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Matador's net income is slightly down from the previous quarter, but still robust. Their adjusted EBIT of $574.5 million reflects strong operational performance, and total revenues reached $899.8 million, driven by record production levels.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this strong performance?
The key drivers were increased production volumes and operational efficiencies. Matador achieved record average production of 171,480 BOE per day, which was 5% above their guidance. This, coupled with cost management, bolstered their profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Matador has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their achievements in this area?
Certainly. Matador has implemented several innovations, such as simul-frac and trimul-frac operations, which have significantly reduced well costs. These efficiencies have resulted in estimated operational savings of $135 million since 2022.
Looking ahead, what are Matador's production targets and strategic plans?
For 2025, Matador aims to exceed 200,000 BOE per day. They've increased their full-year 2024 capital expenditure guidance by $50 million to accelerate well completions, which positions them well for future growth.
Ameredev acquisition and midstream operations. Matador recently closed the Ameredev acquisition. How is this impacting their operations?
The Ameredev acquisition added 33,500 net acres and is already exceeding expectations, with production averaging 31,500 BOE per day. This acquisition is a strategic fit, enhancing Matador's production capacity and operational synergies.
And how about their midstream operations?
Matador's midstream segment, particularly through San Mateo, continues to perform well. They reported a record net income of $49.8 million and adjusted EBITDA of $68.5 million, driven by increased throughput volumes and operational efficiencies.
Financial health and dividend strategy. Let's discuss Matador's financial health. How are they managing their balance sheet?
Matador maintains a strong balance sheet with $1.25 billion in liquidity. They recently issued $750 million in senior notes, which were well received, and are focused on reducing their leverage ratio to below 1.0x by mid-2025.
They also announced a dividend increase. What does this signal to investors?
The 25% increase in their quarterly dividend to $0.25 per share underscores their confidence in future cash flows and commitment to returning value to shareholders. It's a positive signal of financial stability and growth prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, Matador Resources has delivered a strong third quarter with record production and strategic acquisitions. Their focus on operational efficiencies and financial discipline positions them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Matador's performance is commendable, and their strategic initiatives are promising. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters, especially with the increased production targets and dividend strategy.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Matador's performance in the comments below.